We all have both a masculine side, and which is equal to order, um, which gives you conscientiousness and discipline. It helps with those traits. And a feminine side, which is equal to chaos. Chaos leads to creativity, to empathy, and helps with problem solving. They're both needed at different times to progress in the world and to allow us to overcome the challenges that nature gives us. However, if either side becomes toxic, pathological, i.e., too extreme, then they create problems, not solutions. Okay, so toxic masculinity. Toxic masculinity is too much order. It's oppressive order. It's too much surveillance state, too much censorship, too much heavy-handed law and order, people feeling obviously oppressed. It's synonymous with, say, 1984. However, there is also toxic femininity. Now, if you Google toxic femininity, it's claimed that there isn't such a thing. But toxic femininity is too much chaos. So, what does that mean? That means excessive amounts of lies, all traits used to create control, confusion and control. That is toxic femininity. So too much lies, too much historical rewriting. It's it's historical rewriting, not too much. It's lying through statistics. It's lying through statistics that misrepresent actual positions. It's claiming things that simply aren't true. It's using relativism to obscure self-evident truths. It's using relativism to claim that certain things aren't real when they are real, or claim that other things are real when they're not actually real. It's emotional manipulation, such as guilt trips, such as fear. This is toxic femininity. And when you Google it and it says there is no such thing, it's because I think one reason is that this has become our standard state of being. We are in a post-truth toxic femininity world. We spend our entire time dealing with feelings rather than facts. It's about, the world is now about your truth, not any kind of objective truth. Now, that might be fair enough. There is a certain truth that you've got, the way you perceive the world, but at the same time, there is objective truths as well that matter, and there is scientific evidence-based facts. There is a reason to go through. You can't just believe something is true. You can't do magical thinking. and expect it to be not toxic, because people won't believe you, simply won't believe you. So that's toxic femininity. Identity politics is toxic femininity. The tribalism creates division and strife between groups, and that leads to the chaos